Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, February 8th, 5:43 in the morning, and we're going to take a quick look at Zilliqa. This for all the Zilliqa fanboys. We're finally making moves. We're finally pushing up. We're up around 6.25% today, up to the 0.808 region. So we're seeing a lot of good buying power. We haven't seen the sellers try to push us back down yet during the day. We still have, 11 hours and a half, a bit to go. So nothing below the close. We haven't seen anything major where we're reacting to this bottom support line, but we're finally reaching this, right? Like back in the day. Oh, my batteries look running low. Give me a second here. We're back. So we are pushing up, right? We're finally reaching those higher, those resistances that we wanted to break out of based on this previous triangle, right? Because when we have a breakout, we want to go up and at least break above this, right? And we weren't able to do that before, not until recent, not until the past week. So we're reaching that. We're obviously finding this resistance up top here, and we want to see if we do have enough power to actually push through this. So right now, oh my goodness, nothing wants to work today. My bad, guys. This is my washing machine. We're seeing that the resistances from this previous triangle. So we're just gonna draw something here just for us to anticipate. We're obviously gonna see something here. We're gonna see resistance over on this side, and we're gonna see resistance over on this side. So we got a lot of resistance to push through. Looks like we're trying to take the first one out, and we're taking a jab at it. We tried to a couple of times here, and we closed below. And today we're actually trying to push up. Right now, actually, as we speak, we're trying to push up. So a lot of things happening right now. We're seeing, the fact that these resistances are actually stagnating the price action. We're seeing that being reflected on the MACD here. We're seeing that it's kind of having it's been go. We just had a crossover the past week, but we're kind of going sideways for a bit here. So we want to see, are we going to continue to push up, right? Are we going to have something like this here where we go up and then sideways for a bit, where it looks like we're topping up, but then again, boom, we actually keep pushing. So right now, if we're looking at the 4-hour chart, we're going to see it a bit more clear. Let me just take all of this off. And yes, so this is what we're having right now. We're seeing that we're finding that support on the bottom line over here. And next, let me just take off these guys and these guys right here. So we're seeing that, we're trying to take the first jab at this guy over here. We haven't fully succeeded staying above it. So we close above it, and then it's just more of a fake out, right? And then we go down, find that support, and now we're pushing back up. So right now, one thing is that the stochastic RSI is all the way excuse me, all the way up top here. Every time the stochastic RSI is going all the way to the top, it's just reflecting the actual RSI, but in a more, more sensitive way. So we're seeing every time that we're up top here, for example, here, every time we're heading to the top, at least we pass the stochastic RSI, passes through this middle area and goes all the way to the top here, somewhere on this region. We expect a trend downwards. Same thing over here on this side. We go up somewhere on this region. We anticipate some sort of a pullback. And same thing over here, for example. We're all the way up. We expect some sort of pullback. Same thing here, pullback. Example here, same thing. So every time we're heading to those regions, we expect to go down. But then again, now, it's fine if we go down. If you go back down to the 0.075 and bounce above it, that's still, we're still bullish on Zilliqa. It doesn't mean that we healthy retracement back here is good, and then we can most likely continue to go back up to the 0.08, right? So we're seeing that we are having higher lows finally, right? It's been a long time since we did that. We're doing that right now. We're seeing that we also need to maintain above this support line right here for us to continue to move upward and try to break this. The more we hit this line, the better, right? And that's what we're trying to do right now. So we're pushing up, and there's some optimism behind it. We just had the MACD crossover on the 4-hour right now. For the longest time, the sellers were more in control, and literally almost not even 50 minutes ago, we just crossed over on the 4-hour and the MACD, which is very good news. And we just need to, one thing that we need to do right now is that we need to break above. Now, obviously, we start needing to break above this level right now because we just formed the higher high, but we need to break above this level and also have a spike in volume. we need to see a nice spike in volume like this one over here, right? As soon as we broke out of this descending triangle, we had a nice spike in volume indicating that, okay, oh, so we're about to start going up. So right now, volume is actually very low. Volume is low with a nice movement upwards. Still good right now for whatever we have going on, but we definitely do need to break above this right now. We have to break above this and have some sort of a nice volume. If not, go back here and we have to stay above the support. If not, then I expect us, and it's a completely different story. But right now, we need to see a nice volume spike sometime, in the near future, where we break above. We at least try to maintain above this guy over here, but we need to go up and see that volume spike for us to actually continue the uptrend. So that's what I think it is. It's still good, still optimistic. It's okay to have that bottom leg down and continue to push up after. But I'm seeing that, Zilliqa is actually trying to push up. So it's pretty good news, exciting. And we might be pushing all the way up to 0.1. So it's pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this daily update. Thank you for watching. Make sure you join our Discord to see this analysis a lot quicker. Make sure you join our Patreon if you want to support us. Thank you for watching, and yeah,